Hi there, Teacher Amy with #English. Today I'm going to start a whole new series, a fun series, on different expressions or idioms that you hear and we say here in America, but to a foreigner, they may be a little confusing. Today's expression is piece of cake. Not that, no, although it looks delicious. Today's expression means it's easy. It's a piece of cake, not hard to do. Listen to these examples.
Riding a bike is a piece of cake.
Let's try this example. She told me that the exam was going to be hard, but it was a piece of cake. Do you understand? The exam was easy. It was a piece of cake. And now you know, piece of cake. Let's try this example. Learning English with #English will be a piece of cake. I'll see you next time. Bye.